Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Director General of Police ka Meghalaya, Dr. L.R. Bishnoi, mentakasngi ka santrik ulber arajar arhusaw, ulapan kuburam ni kipulit, kibadon benta ban kurup yu Drok, bat kiway ki jingdi kiba snew, hagini ki snem kibaladyan. Habay ekran bat kilat patay kubor, Dr. Bishnoi ulayat ho, ban nado ba uwan ban shimti kumu DGP ka jela, shibon ki jing kurup, ki jingdi pun buat, ki jia haman ki benta jong ka jela. Ula benrap susu dekat baong baka tenat pulit Ribhoi district. Kalau yo ban kurup shibon ukinja bat yo ruban kem ni kibre ki badon kiti hagani ka kam. Ula benrap lu dekat baong ba watla ka tenat pulit ka treshitam ban kem bat kurup ya kini ki jat jingdi pun buat Hynrei ka jela Meghalaya kadang don hapedeng ka jing jelai jong kini ki jingdi ningkong ka jela ka datang ka jela ka bakit ye kini ki jingdi Hynrei minta pat kala kelalong kum kata ka jela ka ba Pynpoi Drok bat ka Jaka ban Pynpoi syaki weipan ki jela. Shusho lo ongru baki bre ki badi yo Drok ki dangkeu kat badang mi ki sngi. Ban kaliang katenat pulit jong ka jela kala shim ni ki lat ki lentib naga benta ban te la kam naga ba ai ye ki jing hikai pat ba kam tam ni ki kena school ki kena college bat ki wei bat ru kila penlong ye ka jing khendra naga por sakapor.
Shri K.S. Roy, Inspector, O.C. Umyang PS. Shri S.W. Bakandai, I.C. Umroy, PIC. Shri K. Nong Seth, UBSI. Shri W.B. Swear, UBSI. Shri A. Mukte. Shri D. Mishra, Head Constable. Shri S.R. Toy, Head Constable. Shri L. Lingdo, ABC 270. Shri M. Pamshong.
Congratulations. So now we can start regarding the drugs recoveries. Just to brief you quickly, in 2022, we have registered 116 cases. In 2023, our case registrations has gone up to 189. And in 2024, in the first 2 months, 355 people were arrested. And 2024, in the first 2 months, 25 people were arrested after my joining. And out of that, 10% are women traffickers. In the 61 are women and the rest are male. We have recovered 7.5 kg heroin in 2022, 16.3 kg heroin in 2023, and nearly 1 kg heroin in 2024 in the first 2 months. So our total seizure of heroin will be approximately 26 kg. We have recovered marijuana in 2022, 3,987 kg. In 2023, nearly 1,400 kg. But in 2024, the recovery has gone up and it is 4,750 kg. At one go, the Ribhoi district police has recovered it. Likewise, the Yaba tablets recovery has also increased. In 2022, nearly 19,000 tablets were recovered. In 2023, more than 60,000 tablets were recovered. And in 2024, initial 2 months, nearly 2,000 tablets were recovered. Other psychotropic tablets, 16,928 in 2022, 32,298 in 2023, and 600 in 2024, first 2 months. For the first time in the history of the Meghalaya police, we have recovered crystal meth, that is 14.2 kg. And crystal meth is a very, very costly drug. The rate in the market is approximately 1.5 crore rupees per kg. Likewise, cough syrup in 2022, 28,000 bottles were recovered, and in 2023, 88,000 bottles were recovered. In 2024, the first 2 months, nearly 112 tablets, the bottles were recovered. Mobile phones, we have recovered 137 in 2022, 408 in 2023, and 30 so far in the 2024. The cash recovery, we have broken the 50-year records. In 2022, the 36 lakh rupees were recovered, but in 2023, nearly 45.6 lakh rupees were recovered, and in 2024, 60,000 rupees recovered so far. Likewise, in vehicle recoveries, in 2022, 67 vehicles were seized. In 2023, the number has gone up to 157, and in 2024, 12. In 2022, after analysis of the NDPS data, we found that the recoveries of the narcotic drugs and arrest of the drug traffickers mainly were affected in 28 police stations, but in 2023, the number of police stations has gone up to 30, and in 2024, in the first 2 months, the 32 police stations were affected. So, by this data, you can very well imagine the gravity of the problems. Likewise, we have recovered the total drug cost, if you, by calculating the existing market rate, 75 crore rupees drugs were recovered in 2022. In 2023, the 170 crore rupees drugs were recovered, and in 2024, nearly 21 crore rupees drugs were recovered. So, nearly 300 crore rupees drugs were recovered during the last 2 years. This, the operations done by the Hynrei police and seizing 4,750 kg marijuana. This marijuana is a pure grade marijuana, and mainly the initial point was the Sipai Jhala district of Tripura, and from this it was passing through the Meghalaya, and we were able to name the culprits, and now the case is under investigations. So this is regarding the recovery of drugs during last 2 years. But problem is still very, very serious. The Meghalaya state is still very sensitive because of its close proximity to the Golden Triangle areas. Earlier it was a transit, but now it has become the destination and transit both. The number of the consumers or the drug abuser in the state are continuously increasing, and which is cause of concerns for all of us. So taken this menace, the Meghalaya police has adopted certain strategy like creating awareness, generating awareness, particularly among the youth by organizing awareness program in the school, college and university, and also continuously operations against the drug traffickers. Many of the drug traffickers are repeated offenders, and many of them are the interstate gangs. So Meghalaya police is committed to prevent this menace. We are also using the technologies to nab the drug traffickers, and our special branch and the CIDs, they are playing pivotal roles in using technology to trace the backward and the forward linkages of the drug traffickers. We are also sharing our inputs with the adjoining states so that the coordinated efforts can be put to control these problems. Other than that, we are also associating ourselves with the rehabilitation process, and in many police stations the counseling cells are open, so they also started counseling to the drugs victims particularly, and by inviting the family members as well. We are also taking the help of the media, particularly electronic and print media, and you are also playing very important roles in generating awareness by publishing news frequently about the drugs recoveries. And the Honorable CM has given us vision of drugs-free Meghalaya, and he continuously appreciating our efforts by using the social media tweets and other things. So this is about the drugs recovery. Now a lot of speculations and rumors are going on about the extortion notices. Laid down procedure under NDPS. After completing all the procedural formalities, then only the trial will start in the court. The trial will take some time. It is not like that today you have submitted charge sheet and tomorrow will be conviction will be there. Conviction always takes time. But earlier the conviction rate was comparatively low, but now in many cases the charge sheet rate has been increased, and accordingly the procedural lapses were plugged. And we have organized many training sessions here of the IOs so that there should not be any procedural mistake, because we have noted that our 80% cases were failing in the court because of procedural mistakes only. So that was the main concern. But regarding time, etc., it will take some time conviction. But once conviction starts, then you will find that many cases conviction.
So in last 3 years, the trial for any cases started. Means
That data, the CID may be heavy. At this point, I'm not in position to give you the exact number of cases. But many cases, I think after charge sheet, the proceedings in the court already started.
So what about the repeat offender as per the PIT NDPS?
I repeat, out of the total arrest, 610 arrests were there during last almost 2 years, and out of that 19, we noted that 19 were repeated offenders, 19. And out of 19, in 8 cases, the PIT NDPS proposals have been submitted to the court, and now the advisory board will take decisions. And once it is finalized, then I will